Hello, welcome to this week's Financial Markets Roundup. I have with me my colleague Joel Rebello. This was a week when the Reserve Bank of India had its policy announcement. Of course, there were some external developments as well. Let's ask Joel. Joel, how was markets this week?
Yeah, as you said, two important things that happened this week. Surprise 25 basis point repo hike by the Reserve Bank of India, a clear shift in the way they are looking at monetary policy, looking to target consumer prices. So far, RBI was based on the wholesale prices. Now they're looking at the consumer prices, so rates inched up. This was a surprise hike which helped the rupee to rally early in the week. But then a day later, the US Fed announced further tapering of its bond buying program. So they had announced 10 billion tapering in December. They followed it up further with the 10 billion in January. Last policy of US Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke. So these two events really shaped the markets in this week. The rupee initially rallied and then it weakened following concerns of over emerging market currencies like the Argentinian peso, which had lost 15% in the week before. It went above 63 the first time in 9 weeks. And then it came back. Today, for example, the markets were quiet. There was not much happening on the rupee side. The bond yields have gone up post the RBI policy, but have since evened out and ended at about 870, 880 basis. Going forward now, dealers looking at more of economic data to come out. There is GDP numbers which came out today. There'll be more such data. The IIP also will be watched.
So that's it for the week. The yields have hardened primarily because of the central bank's renewed focus on consumer inflation. The rupee has been more or less strong in the recent months. So let's look for more future indicators. We'll keep updating you. For more details, please log on to livemint.com.